So recently Samsung has posted the trailer of the Galaxy Note 20 event, which contains numerous hidden details which you missed in a split second. So we are here to do a breakdown of the trailer, show you all of the goofy details, and also I have the very first real images of the Z Fold 2 as an additional bonus for you guys. So let's start with the trailer. The S Pen dripping. Here is the matte bronze, which is the new color of all the Samsung launches. Then here we get our very first look of the new Galaxy Fold 2's hinge mechanism with all the springs and whatnot. This will be improved and will get the brushes similar to the Z Flip to keep the dust out. Now here is the S Pen, which will come with 9 millisecond latency. This line is really close to the pen's pointer at quite a lot of speed, so it's awesome. The Galaxy Fold 2 getting closed, and then we have some more drawings of the Galaxy Fold 2 hinge mechanism. Then we get our very first visual look of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Once more we have the S Pen testing on the Note 20 Ultra. It's Ultra because again curved display, and then we have our cleanest look of the whole punch. It's really small, and then once again we get back to the S Pen. This curved screen I really like. S Pen from the top, and now we have the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which will be used on the Galaxy Note 20. This is twice as much scratch resistant and much more durable. The bronze color, bronze and bronze everywhere, even real bronze metal shards foreshadowing the color theme here. Now we have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from the behind, Samsung logo on the lower part with the slight look at the camera bump. Then we get the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's box. This is pretty similar to the past Samsung Note boxes with minimal design. We have the S Pen on the top of the box and branding on the side. In the S20 series we have big letters on all over the case, but the Notes box has always been quite minimal and it's not changed in past years. And here comes everything which will be announced on the Galaxy Unpacked event. The big slate thing over here is the Tab S7 Plus. Then we have our Galaxy Buds Live aka Bean Buds, Galaxy Watch 3, Galaxy Z Fold 2, terrible name, yes. Moving on, then we have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the pen. 5th of August, if you don't know, is the release date. You can catch the live event on Samsung's YouTube channel at this time. So this was the first Galaxy Fold 2 and the Note 20 trailer. Pretty awesome, first time for Samsung. They usually don't reveal teaser trailers before the launch. So seems like they have taken a page from OnePlus's hype making machine. We also then have the very first leaked images of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G clearly shown on the startup screen. We can see it's much more boxy compared to the original Galaxy Fold. The punch hole is confirmed to be in the middle of the right hand section of the display, so literally at 1/3 distance. Other than that, the bezel seems to have shrinked just a tiny bit and the overall screen size has increased. The outer display is also now much bigger. It goes to almost all the corners with a small punch hole on the top. This is much better than the small outside display of the OG Fold. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20 and the Fold 2 trailer. Which detail you liked the most? Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.